Hello everyone. Short rows are perfect for creating curves. Let's start with part 1. Once you reach the end of the row, we make a slip stitch, chain 1, and turn our work. Now, we are going to work back in the opposite direction. Skip both the slip stitch and the chain stitch from the hook, and work directly back into the single crochets of the previous row. This creates the solid base for our short rows to build upon. Now we move into part 2, where we continue building up layers directly over these short rows. We will work single crochets evenly all the way along the edge. Then work one single crochet directly into the stitch above the slip stitch from 2 rows below. Usually, you will see a small hole or gap right here. By working your stitch right into that space, repeat the exact same step when you reach the next short row edge. It completely closes the gap and hides the transition. Repeat the exact same step when you reach the next short row edge. This tutorial was made to help with crocheting Rocky.